Hello mga ka-adventure, I'm currently here at the spot. So after those bike session, walking session, I finally reached the point where I'm in the spot. So in today's fishing vlog, I'm gonna use this Penn Prevail 14.6 and a 8,000 Daiwa BG black and gold. So I chose this rod because the wind is blowing 45 k's. So I reckon that's 23 knots, and that's way too hard. Like, it's very uncomfortable for us fishers, but for the fish, it's the best time to catch Tailor. So yeah, this spot is the best. Let's go, guys. So back again, guys. So everything is set. It's already rigged up. So I've used Snelled hook, 3 hooks, and a size 6 sinker because the wind is just too strong. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the rig now, and I'm gonna show you how I bait it up and caught it out. So this is how I rig it, as you can see. This one, I pretty like this one since it's just improved my hooked up rate when it comes to the gang hook. There's nothing wrong with gang hook, but I just prefer to use this one because I've been using this for ages. So it still catches Tailor, big ones, and yeah, just have that small gap between hooks, so you won't be cut, you won't get snapped, like chopped by Tailor and the sinker, so that it will grapple to the ground, back, or move. Then when you tug it out, pow, open, just like that. All right. So for the rig for my bait, I'll show it to you later. Let's go. So I'm no expert, but this is how I rig it up. And I already put the bait on the net. So yeah, that's ready to cast. But for that, I have to, for this one, this is for burley, attract small fish, then eventually big fish. But yeah, disclaimer, I'm no expert. I'm just doing what I do all the time. So we go to the water. Woohoo! The water's too good, bro. Just press it. Guys, it's hard to panic. Guys, I saw something. Guys, guys, I'm gonna big one. Guys. Fish on mga master! Fish on, what a huge! Ah! Hello mga ka-adventures. So yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to record the whole video at the end because my phone is just low bat, bruh. So I have to end it right there. But it was definitely one of my best sessions ever since I caught 2 salmon. It should be 3, but I lost the second one, I think, because I was joking around like dancing while fighting the fish. So I have a video of it, and yeah, and I caught a Tailor full, a big one, and I would say 6 herring, but I released 4 of them because it's too small. But it's good, but yeah, it's too small. Then for the two herrings, so I keep them since it's very big. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna measure. So take 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna measure them up, see what's their sizes, and yeah, so let's go, guys. The Tailor is 490 mil, while the salmon, this will be 510 mil. As well. Damn, and this hairy. Sheesh. 290 mil. Damn. 300 mil. Damn. I would say like kilo. I would say this is like a kilo, I think, 1.5 kilos. This one, this is heavy. I would say this is 2 kilos, like 2 to 3 kilos. Both of them just heavy. Sheesh. hello mga adventure. So looking good, looking fresh now, eh? Yeah. So yeah. So that concludes everything. I already showed you the measurements, and after I showed you the measurement, I did not record any video about cutting it up. So basically, all I did was for the Tailor, I just pull out its guts and just scale it for, because that's our shall we say, pollutants. It's like a meal whenever me and my mates are drinking alcohol. So we're going to grill it, and for the salmon, I fillet it and take off the skin and take off the red meats, you know, like the bloods. And yep, and for the herring, I just butterfly fillet it for deep fry. So yeah, so for the video, yeah, so that's how I did it. So it took me, I think, an hour, I think 40 minutes to do it. And yeah, so if you enjoy this type of content, guys, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe it, guys, so that you'll be notified, or you'll be aware if I post new content. So yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's go.